Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we'll try to understand how to draw a box plot. And over here I have just managed a question here that is going to help us in getting the concept. Here it is said that there's a person, Tom, recorded the times in seconds some boys took to complete an obstacle course. And he drew this box plot for his results. I mean, this box plot is already drawn here that represents the performance of the boys, representing the time that they cover while doing the obstacle course. So over here you can see that this line or this thing is said to be, it is going to represent here the minimum value of the raw data or of the time records. So this is representing the minimum value here. Let me just write down. So minimum value or the minimum time, so recorded in seconds. So it is here. So it is 95, because you can see that I've just taken 2 centimeters between 10 units. So this is basically your 95. So the 95 is the minimum time so acquired or so taken by the group of boys while performing the obstacle course. And over here, this line, this thing is representing the lower quartile. Okay, but this is representing the lower quartile value. Okay, and it is over here, you can see it is 101, 102. This is your 103. Okay, the lower quartile. This line is representing the median or the average value. So this is representing the median. Okay, so and it is exactly 115. Okay, the average value. And the upper quartile, this line is representing the upper quartile. You can also call it upper hinge, and this is called the lower hinge. So this is representing your upper quartile. Okay, and the upper quartile over here is 120. Okay, and this line, this is representing the maximum time so acquired or so taken or so consumed by the boys. So the maximum time so observed here is 136, because this is 135, this is 136. So this is your 136 here seconds. So the maximum times are recorded by the boys, by the Tom for the group of boys is 136 seconds, and the minimum time is 95 seconds over here. This is it. Now over here, this person has recorded times for a group of girls as well who have also performed the obstacle course. And here is an ungrouped data mentioned over here representing the times in seconds. There are near about 19 values, and this is definitely an odd number data, and it is already arranged in ascending order. So we have to maintain here now the box plot for this group of data, or set of ungrouped data, I must say. So for this purpose, what exactly we have to find out? We have to analyze here the minimum value of the data, maximum value of the data, which is nothing but 99 and 132. And then we have to find out the median, upper and lower quartile. For that purpose, I have just maintained here set of values that is going to help us in. Okay, so just for my A's, I've just maintained my set of ungrouped data over here in an organized form. This is the serial number from 1 to 19 and so forth, and these are the values which are organized already in the ascending order. So here you can see that the value of n is 19. All right, this is an odd number value. Okay, and we have to find out the median here, and median exactly what it is, the value present exactly at the middle position of this set of data. So it means that this is a 19 values. It means at both sides we are going to have what? We should have 9 values at both sides, and and the middle value should be somewhere here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this value is said to be the median value. So below this median value, I'm also going to have the 9 values. But you can see this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. All right, this is the median value. Okay, this is it. Now right above the median value, we have to maintain now once again the average value in this upper half. That is said to be the upper quartile value. So these are the 9 values. It means the middle value over here in this set of data should be 4 values above. 1 2 3 4. This is said to be the upper quartile value that I'm going to represent with my Q1, and this is my upper quartile, and below this upper quartile I'm again having 4 values, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now let us try to find out the lower quartile, which I'm going to represent with my Q3, and this median is going to be represented with Q2. It's just a matter of representation, nothing else. So over here again I'm having 9 values, so let's count from here. 1 2 3 4. So this is set to be the lower quartile value, upper quartile value. That's it. So this is your lower quartile, this is your upper quartile. All right, that's it. Right below this upper quartile, I'm again having 4 values, 1 2 3 4. Fine. Now let us try to find out, and this is the minimum value of the time data, and this is the maximum value of the time data. So now I have to maintain all these values, the minimum, the maximum, the median, upper and the lower quartiles over here, and then we are going to form the box and then join the minimum and the maximum values by the whiskers. Okay, so over here you can see that this is your 90 and 100. All right, so 99 would be somewhere here. This is said to be your 99. Okay, and then I talk about my upper quartile, lower quartile. It is 108. This is my 105. Okay, so 106, 107, 108. So 108 is this. Okay, median is 112. So if this is 110, 111, 112, this is my 112 here. Okay, and my upper quartile is 17, 117. So this is my 115 or 115, 116, 117. This is it. Okay, and 132, the maximum value, it is going to be somewhere here. So this is your 31 and this is your 32. I've just marked it already for my convenience. This is your 132. Okay, now the process comes of your plotting. Okay, let me just highlight these values a little bit longer just to give me some support. Okay, now from 2 centimeter above this bottom line, I'm going to draw here a 2 centimeter longer line. Okay, so I just maintain here 4 centimeter. So right above 2 centimeter above from this point, I'm going to draw a 2 centimeter long line. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, this is representing the minimum time scored by the girl, and then this is the lower quartile value, and in the same way like what I have did over here, 2 centimeter distance above this bottom line, I'm going to draw a 2 centimeter long line, and same thing I'm going to do over here, here and here. So let's do it all together. Okay, that's what I've done. Okay, I've just managed these lines, and then I joined my lower quartile, my median, Q2, and my upper quartile here, and I just joined them in a form of a box. Okay, that's it. And you can see that the width of this portion is a little bit lesser as compared to this width. Okay, so anyways, and now as far as the minimum and the maximum values are concerned, I'm going to join these vertical lines by means of a supporting horizontal line that is called whisker. So just take it exactly in the mid of this line. I'm going to draw a whisker and connect it with the box. So now let's try to compare the performance of the girls with the performance of the boys. You can see that in the minimum time so scored by the boy was 95 seconds. So the boys basically he crossed the hurdle 95 in 95 seconds. He crossed the entire course. And the minimum time scored by the girl contestants, the minimum time was 99. So the performance of the girl is not that much good as compared to the boys. So over here you can see further, the lower quartile is 109, median is 115, and upper quartile is 120. Okay, whereas for the girls, so just let me write down here these values in the other page for my A's, because these are the upper, median, lower quartile, maximum and minimum values of the times for the boys contestants, and these are the values which are representing for the girls. So we can see here that the minimum time scored by the girl is 99 and that of the boys is 95. So over here boys are much better. Okay, and as far as the upper values are concerned, the maximum time scored by the girls is 132, whereas the maximum time scored by the boys is 136. So over here girls are much better. Okay, in case as far as the average values is concerned, girls' performance is much better than that of the boys. Okay, that's it. And as far as the upper quartile value is concerned, girls are still better than that of the boys. Okay, and in the lower quartile, boys are much better than the girls. So over here, if we just try to look on an average if you try to analyze it on the average basis, then girls are much better than that of the boys. Okay, so the box plot is another one of the ways of representing the data and explaining how the data is clustered around the average value. So it explains the variation of the data in a much better way. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope this video helps you in understanding how to make box plots after analyzing the raw data. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, I humbly suggest you, or I humbly must say request you to subscribe my channel, hit on the like and hit on the bell icon for the latest updates, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and other learners. And also don't forget to write your feedback, either positive and negative, in the comment box below. Take good care of yourself. I'll see you in future with much better videos. Allah Hafiz.